This is a trailer for a video game that doesn't exist. There's no studio, no team, no budget. I made the entire thing myself with free AI. The cinematics, the world, the epic music, the voiceover, even the logo. And by the time you finish this video, you'll be able to make a trailer for any game you can imagine. A dark fantasy RPG, a sci-fi shooter, a horror game, whatever's in your head, and make it look like it cost millions. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, and everything I use is completely free. Stick around to the end, because when it all comes together with the music and the logo reveal, it genuinely looks like something you'd see at a Game Awards show. Here's the plan. First, we invent the game, the world, the vibe, the title. Then we create the concept art and key visuals. Then we generate the actual cinematic trailer shots. Then, and this is the part that makes it believable, we make it actually look like a game, not just random AI clips. And finally, we add an epic score, a voiceover, and a logo reveal, and edit it all together like a real trailer. Every tool is free. Let's start by inventing a game. Every great trailer starts with a strong concept, and you don't need to overthink this. You just need three things: a genre, a world, and a title. That's it. For this one, I went with a dark fantasy survival RPG, The World. A dying kingdom buried under endless falling ash, where the old gods are dead and something is crawling out of the dark. And the title, ASHFALL. Short, punchy, one word, sounds like a real game. That's honestly the formula for a good game name. 1 or 2 words, evocative, easy to remember. Now here's a pro move. If you're stuck, use AI to brainstorm this part too. Ask a chatbot. Give me 10 dark fantasy game concepts with a one-line hook and a title. It'll spit out a bunch, and you just pick the one that makes you go, oh, that's sick. So lock in your genre, your world, and your title before you generate a single image. This is your North Star. Everything else has to match it. A dark fantasy trailer and a bright sci-fi trailer look completely different. So nail the vibe now, and the rest gets way easier. Now let's actually see this world, the concept art. Quick thing, subscribe if you want to actually be able to make stuff like this. I post free AI breakdowns every week. And I made a free PDF guide with every prompt from this video so you can follow along exactly. It's in the description, grab it. Before you make any video, you make the look, concept art. This is where you design what your game world actually looks like, and it's the foundation everything else is built on. I jump into a free AI image tool. Gemini's image generator inside Google Flow works great, and I start designing key visuals. I prompt things like dark fantasy concept art, a ruined kingdom buried in falling grey ash, broken cathedrals, a lone armored knight, cinematic, epic, moody lighting. And it gives me these gorgeous, painterly game art shots that instantly set the tone. I make a bunch of these. Think of it like building a mood board for your game. And here's why this matters. These images become your reference for the video step. When you go to generate the cinematic shots, you feed these in so everything stays consistent. The same night, the same ash-covered world, the same color palette. Locking one color palette across every shot is the biggest thing that makes AI footage look like a real, coherent game. Now we bring that world to life with the actual trailer shots. Now the fun part, the moving cinematics. This is where the trailer comes alive. I take my concept art and drop it into Google Flow to turn it into video. Flow is incredible for the big environmental shots, sweeping over the ruined kingdom, ash falling from the sky, a slow push toward the broken cathedral. The trick to making these feel like a trailer and not just clips is the camera language. Trailers use specific shots, slow dramatic push-ins, sweeping aerials, low heroic angles looking up at the character, and quick punchy action beats. So I prompt for exactly those. Slow cinematic push-in, sweeping aerial shot, low angle hero shot. You're directing it like a cinematographer. And I generate way more shots than I need, like 15, 20. Because a trailer is a montage, you want a big pool of shots so you can pick only the absolute best ones and cut them fast. Some generations will be duds, that's fine, you just keep the bangers. Last part, and this is what makes it give you chills. A trailer lives or dies on its audio and its edit. First, the music. I generate an epic cinematic score with free AI music. Something that starts quiet and brooding, builds tension, and then explodes into a huge climax. That build and drop structure is the entire emotional arc of a trailer. You want it to start slow and menacing, then hit hard. Then the voiceover. Nothing sells a trailer like that deep, gravelly narrator voice. I use a free AI voice tool and write 2 or 3 short, ominous lines. For ASHFALL, I did, "The gods are dead, the ash never stops falling, and something is waking beneath it." Short, dramatic, spaced out. Let the lines breathe between the music swells. Then the edit, and this is everything. You cut the shots to the music. Slow, moody shots during the quiet build-up. Hold them, let them breathe. Then when the music drops, you machine gun your best action shots, 1 hard cut per beat. Fast, punchy, relentless. And right on the final, biggest music hit, you smash to black, then reveal your logo. ASHFALL. Hold it in silence for a second, then a final line, coming 2026. That structure, quiet build, explosive climax, hard cut to the logo, is literally every epic game trailer ever made. Follow it, and even simple footage feels legendary. The music, the voice, and the logo reveal are what turn a montage of clips into an actual trailer that gives people goosebumps. And once you've made something this good, here's what you do with it. Because once you've made a trailer this good, you're gonna want it everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, all of it. And manually reposting it to every platform in every different size, every time, that's hours you could spend making the next one. So that's where repurpose.io comes in. You publish your video once, and it automatically reformats it and pushes it out to every platform on autopilot. So one trailer becomes 5, 6, 7 posts across every app, completely hands-free. It's exactly what you want when you're pumping out content like this. The link's in the description, it's free to start, go check it out. All right, let me show you the full trailer, and then we will wrap it up.
The gods are dead. The ash never stops falling.
You! I knew you would be here.
And something is waking beneath it.
You cannot stand against me! For the kingdom!
ASHFALL. Coming 2026.
So that's how you make a full cinematic game trailer with AI for free. Invent the game, design the art, generate the cinematics, make it feel like a real game, and edit it to an epic score. No studio, no budget, no team. Comment what game I should make a trailer for next. A horror game, a sci-fi shooter, an open-world RPG. Whatever gets the most likes, I'll build it. Grab the free prompt guide in the description, and if you want to see AI make a whole short film, that video's right here, go watch it. Because we're getting to the point where one person can make things that used to take a whole studio. See you there!